Here's how to fix ghost touches on your Android phone. First of all, you need to take off your phone case and screen protector, as this can sometimes cause problems. If that does not work, you need to open your phone's or system settings, then scroll all the way down and look for the section called Utilities and turn on Pocket Mode. If you don't find it, you can also use a search bar in the top. This prevents accidental touches when your phone is in your pocket. If you don't see utilities, you can check on the display setting for an option called accidental touch, or you can also search for it. Then you'll get the option of accidental touch protection. Go ahead and enable this option by toggling this switch. This should definitely help you solve the problem. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.